Welcome back. Now, to create a formula using a relative reference is what you'll be doing by default. So for example, if we go to this cell and were to manually create a formula, we press the equal sign, we would again press a cell, we would then click the actor, in this case we'll add, and then we would then add in the cell next to it. We would then get a result. And then if we wanted to copy that formula down, what we would do is we would then drag it down. And what you'll notice then is that each of these sums are just these two numbers added together on the row. Now, in order to understand how a relative reference works, we're going to change this. We're going to delete all of these formulas. And what we're going to do instead is we're going to then start with this cell and we're going to create a manual formula. And in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to add the result in cell I plus the result in column D, except for we're going to go up one row. So instead of using I4 plus D4, we're going to use I4 plus D3. And we're then going to press enter. And so you'll notice then that this cell has the sum of the number in cell I4 and D3, as we said. So now what we're going to do is we're going to now drag this formula down. And you're going to notice the same pattern. So for example, the sum in cell L5 is going to be the value in I5 plus one cell down in D4. And you'll see that pattern persist throughout the entire list that we copied. So relative reference works based on the position of the initial formula and then adjusts down on a relative basis. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.